Let's talk a little bit about headaches. Headaches, migraines, what are they related to, or how can BioMagnetic Code um, explain them, or where is the symbolism of headaches? Most of the time, we find a connection to I need more brain power. I need more uh, abilities to solve the problem at hand. But this obviously applies many different ways, because it doesn't have to be an actual problem that I need to rationally solve. It can just simply be a belief. Let's say I'm gonna go to a certain meeting and there's gonna be 10 of us, and I have the belief that out of all of them, I'm the one that doesn't really have the same level of intelligence or the same level of knowledge on a specific topic that we're going to be talking there, right? So it can be specific, it doesn't have to be general, right? But if I have that belief through my morning or my day, I might be subconsciously carrying that weight of, man, I really I feel like I'm the underdog, right? So it can be something like that, just based on a pure belief. Obviously, as you've probably experienced, it can be also very much a real problem when you're trying to solve a test, a 300 question test, or I don't know, a long test that requires all of your attention within half an hour. Your brain is going to be like, okay, I don't have enough energy to actually go through all of this. So that's a very, I guess, normal experience that we've all had. But once it becomes more chronic, most of the time is related to I don't have what it takes. I don't have the brain power to solve this thing. And again, the thing being anything, even a belief. Also is linked a lot of the times to control or lack of control and guilt. If you have a little bit of guilt for whatever reason, if you have a sense of lack of control, more likely you're going to develop some kind of a headache, migraine, some kind of discomfort. So what I would recommend for this type of scenario, well, one, you can do a lot of tapping, especially if it's a belief based, right? I can do a lot of tapping or EFT, and help myself through through the problem, through the belief that is causing that problem. But when it comes to biomagnetic therapy, one of the many points that often come up will be around this area and this area, right? So often you want to do, and it's either here or here. These spots comes up a lot. I'm not really sure why, but the body more often than not is asking for some magnets in this area, this area, this area, this area. So you can always do black and red, and then after a few minutes you can switch black and red, or you can do double pole magnets and do black and red, and black and red, and black and red. Often you don't need to find a vectorization for these spots if you're going to use double pole magnets. So just put them on whichever way. That is the main thing that I find with headaches. Anyway, let's move on to the next topic. See you in the next one.